Joseph Anthony Colombo Sr. was a prominent figure in the American Mafia, an Italian-American mobster who rose to power in the Colombo crime family, one of the 5 families of the Italian-American Mafia in New York City. Early life. Colombo was born in New York City and grew up in the Red Hook neighborhood of Brooklyn. He became involved in organized crime in his early years and quickly rose through the ranks of the Mafia. By the 1960s, he was a powerful figure in the Colombo family and was appointed as its boss in 1963. Under Colombo's leadership, the Colombo crime family became one of the most powerful mafia organizations in New York City. He was known for his charisma and ability to bring different factions of the family together. However, his reign was also marked by violence and internal strife, as rival factions within the family vied for power. Colombo War. The First Colombo War, also known as the Gallo Wars, was a violent conflict that erupted within the Colombo crime family in the early 1960s. The war pitted Colombo against rival mobsters, including Joseph Gallo, in a struggle for control of the family. This bloody conflict resulted in multiple deaths on both sides and brought unwanted attention from law enforcement to the Mafia. The Italian-American Civil Rights League. In 1970, Colombo launched the Italian-American Civil Rights League. The organization aimed to combat negative stereotypes commonly associated with Italian Americans and address issues such as discrimination and media portrayals. The League gained significant attention, with Colombo using his newfound public platform to advocate for the rights and dignity of Italian Americans. Shooting and death. On June 28, 1971, during an Italian-American rally in Columbus Circle, Joseph Colombo Sr. was shot multiple times by an assailant. The attack left him critically wounded and partially paralyzed. The identity of the shooter remains a subject of speculation and mystery, with various theories circulating about the motives behind the assassination attempt. Following the shooting, Colombo was left incapacitated and unable to effectively lead the Colombo crime family. His health declined rapidly, and on May 22, 1978, Joseph Colombo Sr. passed away due to complications from his gunshot wounds. His death marked the end of a turbulent and violent chapter in the history of the Colombo crime family. Legacy. Joseph Colombo Sr.'s legacy is a mix of notoriety and complexity. He is remembered for his rise to power and his efforts to increase the visibility and legitimacy of Italian Americans in the United States. Colombo founded the Italian-American Civil Rights League in the late 1960s, which aimed to combat negative stereotypes of Italian Americans in the media and to promote a positive image of the Italian American community. However, Colombo's involvement in organized crime and his leadership of the Colombo crime family also brought controversy. He was known to be a powerful mafia boss, implicated in various criminal activities, including extortion, racketeering, and murder. The internal power struggles and violent conflicts within the Colombo family during his reign further tarnished his reputation. The shooting that left Colombo paralyzed in 1970 at the Italian-American Civil Rights League rally is one of the most infamous incidents associated with him. The circumstances surrounding the shooting remain shrouded in mystery and speculation, with some theories suggesting it was orchestrated by rival mafia factions, while others believe it was a lone assailant's attempt. Despite the controversies surrounding his life, Joseph Colombo Sr. remains a significant figure in the history of organized crime in America. His legacy is a complex one, reflecting the dualities of power, influence, activism, and criminality that characterized his tumultuous reign as a mafia boss.